And in times of crisis, as the Black Panther wisely said, the wise build bridges while the foolish build barriers. Imagine a world where we all chose to construct bridges instead of barriers. A place where the color of your skin, your cultural background, or the language you speak does not determine the respect and kindness you receive. This, my friends, is a world free from racism. Racism, a term many of us may have encountered, is a complex and harmful belief system. It's when one person treats another unjustly solely because of their race or ethnicity, because they perceive them as different. This difference, however, should be celebrated, not scorned. After all, it is our differences that make us unique, that add color and richness to our world. Racism is not an inborn trait. It is learned, absorbed from the environment around us, and it can be unlearned. It can hurt people, causing them to feel excluded, less valued, or even threatened. It can impact their mental and physical health, their opportunities, and their sense of belonging in the world. But just like the Black Panther protects Wakanda, we all have the power to protect each other from the harms of racism. We don't need superhuman strength or advanced technology. What we need is heart, kindness, and the bravery to always do what is right. When you see someone being treated unfairly because of their difference, it's essential to extend a hand of friendship. Listen to them, understand their experiences, and stand up for them if they're being mistreated. Remember, being different is special, and we're all special in our unique ways. In Wakanda, the belief is that we're all part of one big family, no matter where we come from or what we look like. And as a family, it's our duty to care for each other, respect each other, and love each other, just like we would our own kin. So, my young friends, remember this: kindness is strength, helping others is bravery, and together we can create a world that is fairer, kinder, and full of love. Wakanda forever. In summary, racism is an unjust system that treats people differently because of their race or ethnicity. It can harm people's mental and physical health and their sense of belonging. But we all have the power to combat racism by being kind, standing up for others, and celebrating our differences. After all, we're all part of one big family, and it's our duty to care for each other. So let's strive to create a world that is fairer, kinder, and full of love.